Wow, it's going.
Uh-oh, now you gotta pull the cord again.
One more? I tried.
Whoa, he got it going.
Oh, what a neat chainsaw.
It's going. Så viktigt. Nu är det motorn Andreas. Och den måste... Oh. One more.
All right, Florian, you have a new job.
I have it. What you cut down? Yes.
Oh, there we go. Let's see.
One more.
Push the button.
You push the button.
Now push the button, Martin. Yeah, he will.
It need a break.
Is it resting, Martin? Maybe Ruth can help you fix it.
We need a break, Martin.
Martin, is that the nicest Easter bunny you ever dreamed of, to bring you a chainsaw?
Pull it. Pull the cord, Martin. Pull the cord.
There you go.
1, 2, 3.
There. Whoa.